Sahod reveal for the month of December. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Nurse Fab, a Filipina registered nurse here in Canada, and you're an internationally educated nurse and you're curious on how we get paid here in Canada. Keep on watching. Okay, so in our health authority, bi-weekly kami binabayaran. So for December 13, yan ang check ko, pay statement. So I've worked 74.5. Baka nag-undertime ako ng 30 minutes. And then my rate is $43 an hour. If you're interested on how to figure out what your wage is, go check out my YouTube channel because I've uploaded a video about it in detail. So 74.5 times 43 is 3,200, 3.5. And then meron mga additional pay. So we have shift premiums, my evening shift and my night shift. I don't usually do nights. But evening shift premium, my additional kang $1.4 per hour. I do on call. So um these are the hours that I'm on call. For the first 72 hours, I think, you're paid $7. For the rest, 7.5 dollars an hour. So, yes, kahit nasa bahay lang ako, but I'm on call, kailangan ready. Kasi may bayad. May bayad ang on call. And then, overtime pay, sometimes 1.5. Pag nag-extend lang ako within the day, because I work Monday to Friday hanggang 3:30. Kapag nag-extend ako hanggang 5:30, $1, ay, times 1.5 lang. Pero, kapag over than that, or like bumalik ako and or sa weekend ako natawag, times 2 siya. So, one time nag-weekend ako, weekend call, I worked for 3 hours. So, 86 ang bayad sa amin per hour. And then I have other premiums. When you're a regular full-time staff, there's an additional $2.15. And if you work in a specialty area, $2 per hour. So, ayan, tinimes lang nila. And if you work on a weekend, may additional then $3.50 per hour. So, yan ang computation. A total of 4,805. But wait, there's more. Ayan naman ang deductions. Taxes, Canadian income tax, yung CIT T4, nagbayad akong 9.5, binawasan ako, kinaltasan ako ng 956.12. CPP, pension plan yan, so kinaltasan ako ng 278. Employment insurance, which is really good kasi in case mawalan ka ng trabaho, may makukuha ka pa rin sa government through your employment insurance. So that's 79.76. And then, meron ding union dues. So, union, I think meron din naman yun sa Pilipinas. More on finding a rise. If you get in trouble sa work, you can ask help from them. So, may bawas akong $64. And then, municipal pension plan. Yan, parang pension din. SSS ba yan? GSIS. Anyway, so, I don't know if government employees lang yan or basta. Basta pension. Binawasan ako ng 304 na tumataginting na may kaltas akong 1.3 at parang mga 1.6. So, basically, the same thing lang dun sa unang paycheck. This one is 4,595 and ang kaltas ko naman ay 1,500, 500, 600. Hindi ako magaling sa math, guys. So, ayan, for December, kumita tayo ng net pay of 3,002 and 3,122. So roughly around 6,100. So yeah, for more tips and insights about Canadian nursing life as a Philippine registered nurse, go follow my YouTube channel. See you on the next video.